Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So, hello. In this video, I am going to talk about the no BS way to win government cleaning contracts. Now, I have people that do one or maybe two things on the list, but they definitely don't do all of them. Now, this is what you need to do. You need to make sure that you first have your mindset right, that you really understand why you want to go after government cleaning contracts and why you want to get to being to the point of having success where you don't have to do a 9-to-5 or whatever success means to you. The next thing is you have to meet all of the basic requirements. Then you have to make sure you understand how to market to the government buyers and why they should care about your business. This is where that differentiator comes in. You have to have a compelling differentiator. The next thing you need to do is find the bids. Now, they are on sam.gov, but there are quite a few other platforms that you usually have to pay for, but you may be able to get the information sooner than when it comes on sam.gov. And then the last thing is you have to make sure that you fill out the request for quote or request for proposal. Now, this may sound simple, but a lot of people will jump and start looking for quotes before they've registered for SAMs. Or they'll register for SAMs and they'll just sit there thinking the rest is going to be easy. But if you really want to know what you need to do, how to find previous contracts, how to make sure that you're looking at the RFQ and RFP correctly, then guess what you can do? Register for my free masterclass. That's right. It's this morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Or, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I would love to see you there at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Make sure you click the link below to register. Bring pen, paper, and your favorite beverage. I'll have you on and out in probably 45 minutes, no more than an hour. Bring your questions and make sure you register now. If you're really serious, this is the month to do it. Fiscal year, September. This is it. So I look forward to seeing you. And until next time, be safe. Bye-bye.